How are you all? Fine? Enjoying your days? I hope you are very happy at home. Less studies, more activities, right? So, today I am here with the chapter, The Best Christmas Party, Chapter 1, Part 1 video. I think you have gone through, and this is the second video of that chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Okay, can you remember what is that best Christmas present in the world? So after that, what happened? The writer went to Bridport, right? There he went. You know the purpose? He wanted to deliver the letter to the owner, Mrs. Coney. The best Christmas gift. What is that? You will come to know afterwards. So, before that, we should know characters of this story. Main characters of this story are the writer, then Mr. Jim McPherson, then Mr. Jim's wife, that Mrs. Coney, Tommy, Hans Wolf, Fritz, and British soldier. Means these are that term. Fritz means German soldiers and Tommy means British soldiers, right? These many characters are there. Now we'll come to know hard words and meanings also. Taken their toll means damaged. Taken their toll, damaged. Put, ease it out means to pull it out. Ease it out, to pull it out. Make something easy. Brute force. What is that brute force? Great force. When the writer was trying to open the drawer, he put brute force. Got the better of. Got the better of. Won over, achieved. I have started from number 7. Already I gave 6 hard words and now we are continuing with that. Next word is frame of mind, mood, state of mind. Standing to, taking a position as they were in the war. So standing to means taking position before they start war, taking positions. Trenches, a hiding place. Long ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy. Trenches, right? So the place where soldiers can hide themselves. Underground ditches, right? Underground place, long place. Crisp, fresh weather. Occurred, came to mind. Parapet, the wall on the side of the wall of or roof. You know that on the road also sometimes you can see to divide the road or to stop coming of people. They use this parapet, or sometimes soldiers they're using to protest, to guide, to not allowing the opponent party. They're using this parapet. Outstretched, extended, held out. Extended, spread out, held out. Fritz. Fritz is the word, a common name used for the German soldiers. German soldiers के लिए common word है. Like student. Students means the children who are in the class. Like this way, Fritz means a common name used for the German soldiers. Tommy, a common name used for the British soldiers. Jim, Mr. Jim was of British soldiers only, and Wolf, he was of Fritz soldier, right? part 2. Already part 1 you know. Till that story, the writer decided to visit the owner's place to deliver the letter. Now second part, it is about the description of the letter. It is about the description of the letter. And third part, ending, right? So cold and frosty morning, when Jim was writing the letter, he felt very nice. Before they go for the war, he felt very nice, and both the parties, they decided to wish for each other. So the morning was, at the time of writing letter, it was morning, cold and frosty morning. Standing to in their trenches, they were standing to their trenches, means at the point where they have to start the war, their hiding place, and getting ready for the war. Christmas morning, it was Christmas morning only, crisp and quiet all about, crisp fresh weather and quiet everywhere around them. Fritz waved their white flag and wished happy Christmas. Tommy means the soldiers of British, and Fritz means German soldiers. They waved their white flag and wished Merry Christmas. Here it is Happy Christmas, but actually you remember, you have to say Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas, no, but as it is written over here, so we have to say that only, right? Before they go for the war, they wanted to enjoy, they wanted to celebrate the Christmas as it was Christmas morning, right? And Jim had been a school teacher at Dorset before joining the army. So Mr. Jim, he was officer in command of British army, and he had been a school teacher before he joined the army. So he permitted, yes, you can celebrate our Christmas party, as he was officer in command, right? Hans Wolf, the German soldier, was a cello player in an orchestra group before he joined the army. So first, from German army, Hans Wolf came first to wish, and British soldiers, they were surprised. They were thinking, is this a trick, or really they want to celebrate? Because both of them are opponent party for each other, right? Because of that, he thought, oh my god, it may not be a trick. Chal nahi hona chahiye, right? So they were set against for the war, युद्ध के लिए आए हुए थे, and then before the war starts, they wanted to celebrate. Both the parties wanted to celebrate Christmas, so called each other, hugged and wished. They drank, danced, feasted well, sang and enjoyed a lot, right? And they played football also. At the time of playing football, both the parties, they felt why people go for a war. Instead, they can play football or cricket like that. Then also we'll come to know who is the winner, who is the loser. But why they call for a war? If fighting is there, what happens? Many lives lost of many lives, and they are leaving their family members, making their children orphans. So because of that, both the parties felt why people call a war. Instead, they can play football or hockey. Ultimately, one group will be winner and one group will be loser. So this way also they can play. Unnecessarily, why they are calling war, and so many lives are going to be lost. They are leaving their widows children are becoming orphan also. Okay? So he wrote after the war he will go. Again he mentioned after finishing this letter, he wrote after the war he will go back to meet Mrs. Coney, her wife, next year to celebrate Christmas. So it was written in the letter. That's why when the writer found the letter and he had gone through the letter inside and then he read, after that he thought, I also should go on that particular day so that the owner would be very happy. Seeing that, oh my God, obviously this letter has come, my husband has come with the letter. The letter, once what happened, letter was inside the drawer of roll top table. Once Mrs. Coney's house got fire and she got injured. After that she had been admitted in a nursing home, and there she was under treatment. So maybe that time damaged or extra furnitures were sold, and it was in that junk shop. And by the way, the writer purchased that table and found that letter, and now he went to Bridport to deliver the letter. At the end, the writer in the hospital to meet Mrs. Coney to deliver the letter. Finally, he found the address and he was willing to meet Mrs. Coney. So he was in the nursing home, and she was 101 years old. Can you imagine? The lady, Mrs. Coney, Jim's wife, was of 101 years. Obviously she had that time she was having blurred vision. Blurred vision means ठीक से देख नहीं पाती थी, because 101 years, so it's not possible to see properly, find out properly, understanding also less, and vision is also very poor vision, right? Poor vision, देखना ठीक से आती नहीं है. And when she came to know someone has come to deliver the letter, she was sure that her husband has come. She was sure her husband has come because he wrote in the letter he will come in the next year during Christmas, and she kept that letter till 1 year. 1 साल तक वो लेटर को संभाल के रखी थी. It was written on 26th December 1914, and he will be coming by next year. So when he came, the writer, it was 25th December and 1914, 1 साल के बाद. Seeing him, she was sure my husband has come, so she was very happy, though she was having blurred vision. What did she say? She told, you told me you would come home by Christmas, dearest, and here you are. आपने चिट्ठी में लिखा था आप आएंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर को, and here you are, आप आ चुके हो. Is that he was not her husband, he was the writer, but as she was having poor vision, blurred vision, she was not able to find out, recognized whether the man was her husband or not. So she was sure my husband had come. She was very happy, took his hand and said this is the best Christmas present in the world. You told you will come on this day and you are here. So this is the best Christmas present in this world. So this way the story ended. Hope you like it. And you understood also. If you do not understand, somewhere problem is there, again you can go through the video, and then also if you are not understanding, then I am here, I will help you out, right? So bye, take care, good luck.